We are on day 4 of the gold standard elimination protocol that I take a lot of my gut healing clients through. What this elimination challenge can do is remove inflammatory foods in order to calm down inflammation, in order to reduce your unwanted symptoms. So if you're struggling with bloating, if you are chronically tired, if you're not sleeping well, if you're feeling irritable, anxious, and you're really struggling with your hormones, especially if you're in the perimenopause and beyond, and you've got those unwanted digestive symptoms, then the gold standard elimination protocol can definitely help you. Now, normally we run this for 42 days. And in that time, you see a massive shift in your symptoms. But when you create the environment where the body wants to heal, the body often responds really, really quickly, and you can see results fast. So within 2, 3, or 4 days of eliminating those triggering foods that cause inflammation, you can feel a massive difference. Now, for me, I had to take out soy and oats. I wasn't having wheat. I wasn't having gluten, and I wasn't really having dairy, like the occasional bit of goat's cheese. But, I wasn't having those foods. For me, I was overdoing it on nuts, like particularly almonds, cashews, Brazils, pistachios, and definitely overdoing it on the soy lattes or the oat milk lattes. I only have one coffee a day, but I love it. But I was having my oat loaf. I was having oats for breakfast. I was having oat milk in my tea, and all of that can build up to a level of toxicity. It can cause mold, and especially if you have a parasite or mold or fungus in the gut, then that can really flare up your symptoms. Now, how would you know if you have a parasite or mold or fungus in the gut? Well, you would get tested. You would get tested with me. I'm a qualified nutritionist and specialist in gut health, particularly for ladies over the age of 40. And I run comprehensive stool tests, and I also run food sensitivity tests, but I can also refer you to a kinesiologist. So you can have your hair test, or you can go to them face to face and have those tests done, because it's amazing when we really have a deeper look into what's going on in the gut, that we can really get to the root cause of why you're bloated, why you're feeling anxious, why you're feeling shaky and jittery, and why you're not sleeping well, because that's what I see a lot of, and why you may have become accidentally overweight, and you've got these a huge amount of cravings. All of that can be because of inflammation, a parasite, mold, spores, flukes, fungus, candida, all of those unwanted pathogens in the gut that can cause your symptoms. So by day 4 of the challenge, I would love to hear from you. How are you going? How are you feeling? And I would love for you to jump on over and join our free gut healing community in the Thriving Gut Health group on Facebook, because that's where we share a lot of daily goodness. So thanks so much for tuning in. If you love this, love what I'm talking about, and you're really struggling with your symptoms, then make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button, and so you know when I'm doing another video, and you can keep up to date with, a lot of the research that I'm doing. I specialize in the gut, particularly for women. So please reach out to me if you think that can be beneficial, that you get to the root cause of your symptoms, then get in touch. Thanks for watching.